Let's face it, our world needs to be more security conscious than ever before. That's why at IQ Lattice we're empowering retail stores, schools, daycare centers, and public places with real-time artificial intelligence-driven video surveillance systems to offer facial and object recognition and tracking, behavior analytics, real-time alerting, and more. Whether you need to identify unknown persons who try to enter your premises, identify high-profile customers, or profile people in the mall based on gender, age group, emotions, or learn about traffic patterns or crowd density, IQ Lattice has products like Face IQ, Retail IQ, and Traffic IQ, which integrate with existing CCTV infrastructure to provide powerful insights in real time that will help increase the integrity of your security, mitigate unforeseen events, and improve customer experience and ROI. Don't leave safety up to chance and hope you'll be covered. Have the knowledge and power you need to keep what you care about safe. Learn more at www.iqlattice.io today.